Alright, let's hack bWAPP or a buggy web application. So first of all, open your terminal and go to the directory where you have downloaded the bWAPP, and if I type here ls tag a, these are the PHP files of the bWAPP. So let's start PHP server. The command is php tag s and then the host name. It is tag s 127.0.0.1 colon 9004, and I have created a PHP alias for this. So as you can see, it is started, and the previous command did not work because of this error. As you can see, it is started. So once you visit that URL, it will redirect you to the login page, and you can log in with the default credentials which are given here, B, and the password is bug, and set the security level to low. Now log into this. Now we are inside bWAPP, so let's go to the first bug, which is not this one, which is HTML injection with the GET request, and the file is html_get.php. Now here we have given a POM which send gets request to the current directory. So there is no filter on this form, so we can write first of all, let's write anything, and I submit the form. Now welcome debug. So it displays my name, first name and last name, and it says welcome. So let's try HTML because it is not filtering anything. So if I type h1 inside hello world, and if I submit, even they display the h1 tags and applied the style. So if you think here, the added the pseudo classes here a little bit with a little bit of styling, so they style this as well. So you can if we can type HTML here and we can run it. In this case, it is with the italics, so you can see it is now italics. So and we are passing with those data with GET request. So the GET request shows the parameters in the URL. So these are the parameters. You can change it here as well. So let's say instead of world, let's say hello there. If I hit enter, now the request is sent. Now instead of hello world, they say hello there, and here we can write JavaScript as well. So let's try this one, script with alert hacked by alloy, and in this one let's try just h1 of all. So if I submit, as you can see, the alert is here. It executes the scripts as well, and the world is displayed now here. So this is the HTML injection reflected with GET request. So you can practice with this with yourself, and if you check the code for this, you can go to this HTML_get.php and check how this is written, so you can prevent that.